A Chinese envoy on Wednesday called on all parties involved in the Ukraine issue to exercise restraint. Zhang Jin, China's permanent representative to the United Nations, made the remarks at the plenary meeting of the 76th session of the UN General Assembly on Ukraine.
China has been paying attention to the evolving situation in Ukraine. China's position on safeguarding the sovereignty and territorial integrity of all states has been consistent, and the purposes and principles of the UN Charter should be jointly upheld. At the same time, we note that the issue of Ukraine is rooted in a complex web of historical and present-day factors, and an interplay of those factors has driven the situation to this point. In the current context, all parties concerned should exercise restraint and avoid taking any action that may aggravate tensions. China calls on all parties to recognize the importance of implementing the principle of indivisible security, to continue to engage in dialogue and consultation, and to seek reasonable solutions that address each other's concerns through peaceful means on the basis of equality and mutual respect. We welcome and encourage all efforts aimed at facilitating a diplomatic solution.